In this video, we are going to learn about the class attribute. The class attribute. Remember, we are still at PalmOps Foundation Elite Schools. We are still here at PalmOps Foundation Elite Schools. So the class attribute. What is the class attribute? The class attribute is used to associate an element with a style sheet and specifies and specifies the class of element. You will learn more about the use of the class attribute when you will learn cascading style sheet. So far, now you can avoid it. So it means that now we can avoid the CSS because the moment we start with cascading style sheet or CSS, that is when we are going to be more seniors in web design. So let us continue. The value of the attribute may also be a space separated list of class names. For example, we have here the class. We have a class name 1, class name 2, class name 3. So the style, let us go to the style. These ones we are going to learn them the more as we upgrade, as we learn more about HTML. So we are having the style here. The style attribute allows you to specify cascading style sheet rules within the HTML within the element. So now cascading style sheet is shortened as CSS. So we are having this work here. We are having this. Let us open it and see. So I copy it. I open up my notepad. I open up my notepad plus plus. I open up my notepad plus plus. Then I open up a new document, then a new file, then I paste Control V. I save as I'm going to save it as style attribute in a folder on a desktop called website style attribute .html. So I save it. So after saving it, I will come here into my folder here and I open it style attribute here HTML. So you see some text here. This is it here. So you see it. So let us see it in the code. So we are saying that paragraph style font family, it should be Arial, as how in Microsoft Word we have font style. So even here we have font family Arial, or we can say Calibri, we can give it Times New Roman, we can give it any font family of our choice. Then we are giving it a color. This is a color code. So you can either type a color name or a color code, but we normally use color code. So let's say that if you put there like green, let's say that you put there green and you save changes. Now this color we are having red, it will turn into green. So if you refresh, I think you have seen it. So that is the purpose of styling sheet, the style CSS. So this is an inline, or what we call an inside code CSS. So we are defining CSS code within a paragraph, tag, where we are defining a style within a paragraph. So now we call this one inline CSS. So let us continue and see the next. So so this is saying that this will produce the following result as how we had it. At this point of time, we are not learning CSS, so just let's proceed without bothering much about CSS. Here you need to understand that what are HTML attributes and how they can be used while formatting content. So thank you so much for watching.